Hi, mommies. Quick tip number 2. In terms of teaching our kids how to get better in problem solving, please don't ever give clue words. What do I mean by clue words? When you tell them, oh, if you see this, more, add. If you see less, you subtract. No, don't ever give them clue words. Like with the word more used in the problem solving is not always addition. It can also be subtraction. Same with less. Less is not always subtraction in a word problem. Less can also be used as addition. It depends on how it was used in the word problem. That's why when we teach problem solving, the number 1 that we tell our students is understand the word problem. And how do they understand the word problem? Not only that they list it down, the given information, and look at the problem, how it was used, and make sense out of it. But if they have good comprehension that comes from reading, and that will be a big help. So never give clue words and let them understand it.